Hello everyone, I am Cindy from Crochet. Today I'm going to teach you how to make these cowboy hat and also cowboy necklaces. These accessories can match any cowboy outfit. They are perfect for the party with the cowboy dress code, and this is the finished look of my cowboy outfit. Full list of material are in my description, and now let's get started. Okay, let's get started. First of all, you need an existing crochet beam hat. You can see my pattern of the crochet beach hat in the description box below. Okay, first of all, before shaving, you need the 1 mm wide, and then you have to cut for your head circumference, and then maybe twist it into the loop like this, and then put it inside the hat. For the layer of the hat, grabbing the wire inside, and then after that just use the pin to pin it like this. Okay, you get the shape like this. After that you need to prepare the K yarn size and 3.5 mm crochet hook. Put the hook through both layers under the inner wire, and then it's about to grab the wire inside, so you need to just make SC by putting the hook into both layers and then make SC. Okay, like this. Put the hook into both layers and then make SC, and then you work for the whole circle like this, and the hat was shaped as shown. Okay, and then you had to shape the hat into the following shape. It's just like a cowboy hat like this. Okay, this is quite simple. And then after that you get this shape, right? Okay, and then just sew the front area of the hat like this. And here is the result of the shaped hat. After that, we make the crochet belt to decorate the hat by using lace yarn with crochet tape size 10 and 1.75 mm crochet hook, stud button, and own belt head like this. So you have to follow the code I wrote on the screen right here, and then just attach stud button like this, and then just make the stud button at follow, and then just use the old crochet old belt head, and then just insert the belt through the crochet layer like this. So you don't need to skip anything because it can just insert it too, and then use the stud button to hold it. Alright, it will be like this, and then you need to wear the belt for the length of the circumference. Okay, just put the belt like this, and then after that just wear the belt on top of the hat like this, and after that you just need to basically sew it on top of the hat. After that, just prepare the feather. You can see if you can purchase the artificial feathers. The link is in the description box. So basically you need to use the artificial flower as well. I will put the link of the related item into the description box, and then after that just attach them behind the belt sideway of the hat. First of all, just attach the feathers first by sewing it under the belt like this, and then after that just attach the flake flower like this. And now we finish the decoration of this cowboy hat. I hope you like it. This is quite easy to make, and you can shape it whenever you want. Okay, first of all, just start with necklace stripe by using crochet head size 3 and then 3 mm crochet hook. Leave the significant amount of yarn behind, and then start in the middle by making chains, and then when you make it, just wrap around the tail up like this around the hook, and then make chain, wrap the tail and make chain like this. Repeat it until you get the long strap like this. And now let's move to the tassel. Use crochet head size 10 and then wrap around the finger for about 20 times and then tie the mitten. After that, sew the mitten to secure every thread as well. After that, cut one's end like this. Now we almost done. After that, just prepare the metallic golden cross stitch thread. Also, prepare the golden 0.5 mm metal ring on the top of the tassel and then attach the metal ring first with the golden metallic thread like this. After that, wrap the golden metallic thread around the tied tassels like this. Okay, so you do it at one side, and then after that, when you finish, don't forget to sew it and secure the golden metallic thread, for it will be never fall off. Okay, now we finish the tassels, and then we will get this. This is so realistic. I really like it. And then just prepare the feather and don't forget to secure it using the same yarn as the strap, like this. And after that, just prepare the pendant by choosing the old button you have. Just pick the golden button like this. And now just make the crochet base, pendant base by using DK yarn 3mm crochet hook, make magic ring 12 DC and then fasten off. And then just attach the button into the middle of it. Just then prepare the beads, 4mm silver and gray bead and then 6mm brown beads, and then attach the beads surrounding golden button as follows. You can see the description for the material in the description box. You can find a link to buy them there. And then after that, you finish, it will look like this. And then don't forget to make the loops behind the pendant base to hold the strip like this. Then after everything is done, every pendant, tassel, feather, and you have to prepare random fancy bow beads like this. And now we will put them together by beads the entire necklace. First of all, start with the pendant. Just put both ends of this stripe into the pendant's loop. So both of them like this. After that, just beads the random beads as follows. Then at the ends of this side, just attach the feather. And then for the other side, you need to bead the random bead as well. And this one at the end of this side, just attach the tassels. Last but not least, just attach the small feather pendant that I have, like here. And now we finished the cowboy necklace. Really beautiful. I hope you guys like it. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you again.